I'm Elaine Clayman from the Elaine Clayman Justine Bray team at Brown Harris Stevens, and I want to welcome you to we used to call it our Tuesday Talks. I'm not sure if it goes out on Monday or Tuesday, but to our Tuesday Talks. So I want to encourage all of you to sign up for our YouTube channel, very creatively named the Elaine Clayman Justine Bray team. This way you can stay totally up to date on what's going on in the market because we are doing these videos every single week. We will be, for the next few weeks, hosting an open house tour on our various apartments. The agent will walk you through the apartments, and then you can email the agent with any questions you may have. And you can also set up an appointment to see it firsthand without just using video, whatever makes you comfortable. Today we're going to be taking you through a tour of 870 UN Plaza, United Nations Plaza, apartment 10B. 10B, or I should say, let's start with UN Plaza. It's one of the most prestigious buildings in Manhattan. And this is an opportunity for well-qualified buyers to be able to purchase in the building. 870 UN Plaza and 860, the sister building, have the longest driveway, private road in the city. It's very, very interesting. And you can drive right up and be helped with any packages, etc., that you may have. By the way, they also have a valet service there. It's a first-class building. There's nobody would deny it. And we all know that your home begins the second you walk into the lobby, far before you get to your apartment. When you come into this lobby, there are triple height ceilings. It is so extremely grand and yet not pretentious. It's quite a wonderful experience. The building has, we brokers like to use the expression, amenities galore, and this building has amenities galore. There is a private library for residents in the building. There's a well-appointed gym. There's a Pilates room. There are 2 furnished roof decks. There's plenty of opportunity for privacy, or if you want to socialize and meet other people in the building. In addition, there's a game room. There's a storage room that is assigned to just your apartment, and it travels with the sale of the apartments. If packages come in, they are delivered to your door. You don't have to carry them yourselves. There's even a golf simulator, if you could believe that. There's a coat room. So if you are having guests come up to your home, you don't have to have a rack outside of your door or the bed full of coats, but there's a private room on the main level where your guests can leave their coats and kind of prepare to come into the apartment, which is lovely. There's the garage in the building, which is wonderful. We all love to have a garage in the building. I am very proud to introduce you to one of our top agents, Lara Mizrack, who both lives in the building and sells in the building. And she knows the ins and outs. She grew up in the building, so it's a very unique experience for her now to be move from being a little girl in the building to one of the broker specialists of the building. We are bringing you apartment 10B. The price was just reduced from $1,395,000 to $1,300,000, which is an absolute steal for you at the current price. It's a 2-bedroom, 2 baths. It is in pristine condition. So I want to turn this over to Lara. And Lara, if you could take us through the apartment, that would be wonderful. Thank you. And thank you for tuning in. And one more reminder to please sign up for the Elaine Clayman Justine Bray team on YouTube. Thanks again. Have a great week.
Thank you, Elaine, for that amazing introduction. Hi everyone, I'm Lara Mizrack and I am so pleased to show you a really amazing triple mint apartment, 870 UN Plaza 10B. So here we are starting out in our hallway, ready to go in. So come inside. From the front door, as you can see, there's two large closets on either side. And then you come into an elegant gallery that the building considers to be its own room. And as you can see, a beautiful lit bookshelf full with storage underneath. Now, as we start to walk through, we're gonna go check out the kitchen. All right, now we're gonna walk in to this huge, custom redone kitchen. And as you can see, walking towards the big windows, a lot of light pouring in, and a view of Beekman Place. And as we swing around, let's take a look at all these high-end appliances. First, we have a paneled Sub-Zero fridge. Two freezers. Back up, you can see how large this kitchen truly is. Very rare in a New York City apartment. Sharp microwave. Sub-Zero wine fridge. Paneled, ultra quiet Miele dishwasher. Two large sinks. 5-burner professional DCS range. Custom lighting under the cabinets and in the cabinets, as you can see. And see all of this amazing counter space, perfect for chopping and cutting, mixing. If you're going to have a wonderful meal. And there's storage galore with large pantry areas on either side. And now, let's head out of the kitchen, back into the gallery, and over to the living room, dining room area. All right, now let's take a look at the spacious living room, dining room area. The dining room can seat 12 people. You can just see as we walk in how large this entertainment space is. 13 huge windows. See the light just pouring in. Perfect place to have a party, large or small. You see beautiful moldings, exquisite hardwood floors. Apartment is truly ready for you to just move in. Truly a rare find for New York City. And now let's walk through these French doors and see the second bedroom, which is currently being used as a library. And we start in the bedroom library by looking at this beautiful view, the Chrysler Building. And of course, the trees of the UN Gardens. Featuring hardwood floors, as well as built-in bookcases. For even more storage. As you can see, French doors leading out into the dining room area. And now we're going to walk into this beautiful, elegant, mint condition bathroom. Featuring the original marble of this building, has new medicine cabinets, vanities with lots of storage, and a brand new Toto toilet. Now we're going to come out, back past the dining room area into the gallery and see the attention to detail. And now let's go into the master bedroom. And now let's take a tour of the master bedroom suite. Coming into this large room. Sun pouring in. Room for a large bed, 2 nightstands, bookshelf. This way you can get a sense how big it is. There it features custom walk-in closet and more storage. Straight ahead, a linen closet as part of the master suite. Again, unusual for New York City to have such large bedrooms, especially large secondary bedrooms. Coming around to this mint condition bathroom. Also has original marble. And here we are, the master bathroom. Also featuring the original marble. New vanity, medicine cabinet. Attached to the toilet. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the triple mint condition, 870 UN Plaza 10B. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and move-in condition. If you have any questions or would like to see this apartment for yourself, please either call me at 917-596-7090 or email me at lmizrack@bhsusa.com. Thank you. Bye.